I'm Tomoko from Tomoko Shima Hair Salon. Today, I will show you these two super duper easy hairstyles for daytime and nighttime. The daytime style, I just want to tie my hair up, but I want to make it look nicer than a simple ponytail. So I will show you an easy tuck-in technique. Daytime casual hairstyle. Using a rubber band, put hair up into a low ponytail. Slide down the rubber band. Divide it in the middle, just right above the rubber band. Tuck the remaining hair into the middle. Make sure that it is nice and clean. Complete nighttime formal hairstyle. HAIRSTYLE spray. Apply HAIRSTYLE spray. Use a small rubber band. Put the tail up and tie the rubber band on the ends. Roll it toward the bottom of your scalp. Forming a small band. Hold it with a pin. Insert second pin into the middle and third pin on the other side of the bun. Make the bun a little wider by gently stretching the bun on both sides. Up and down spray. Use up and down spray to hold the bun in place. Make sure to tuck in any leftover hair. Take small pieces of the hair and pull up. This will help create more volume for the hair. Insert last pin into the middle of the bun. Finally, use up and down spray to secure the style. Style the bangs. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Feel beautiful.